Friends, today we will study about attributes of a file. Now, as we know that we have a data, data is collected in files, and various files created in a system gives a directory, and after that we will have a file system. Now, a file can be defined a file can be defined as a data structure which stores the sequence of records files are stored in a file system which may exist on a disk or in the main memory. Files can be simple. We can say that plain text, or it can be a complex file, means that is specially formatted. Now, the collection of files is known as directory. The collection of directories at different labels is known as file system. Now, the file has various attributes and that are given by. Now, the first attribute is name. Every file every file carries a name by which the file is recognized in a file system. One directory, if we have a one directory, for example directory A, it cannot consist two files having same name. It means a directory must contain a unique file name. Second attribute is identifier. As the name suggests, each file has its own extension which identify the type of the file. For example, if we have a text file then its extension is given by .txt. If we have a video file, its extension is given by mp4. So we have different type of files, and these type of files are identified by their extension. Now the third one is type. In this, files are classified in different types such as video files, audio files, executable files, etc. Now the fourth attribute is location. In a file system, there are several locations on which the files can be stored. Each file carries its location as its attribute. Now the fifth attribute is size. The size of the file is most important attribute. It gives us the number of bytes acquired by the file in the memory. At last, we have protection. Now the admin of the computer may want to different protection to the different files. Therefore each file has its own set of permissions for different groups. So these are the attributes of file. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.